Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know, if you're new here, my name is Sasha, aka Salon Styles, and today I'm going to be doing a bold pink look is what I'm thinking I'm going for. So a bold pink look. We're just gonna go with the flow again like I did in my last video, see how it turns out, and let's go ahead and get right into it so it's not super long. I'm going to spray my face first with some Mario Badescu face spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So let that soak on in. Get a little refresher. So we're going to start with the brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. And I'm just going to brush them out first. And just filling them in. My brows, if y'all can tell, are not sisters on a normal day. This is called plenty of years not knowing better waxing. Growing up in high school. In college. Just going to clean up the brows with my MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in medium deep. Let y'all see what it looks like. Gonna blend that concealer out. Now we're going to apply some MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot as my eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to use that same brush I used for the concealer to blend out. Set that with some translucent powder. So I'm going to set that with some translucent powder by Mercier. Start on my eyes though, I'm gonna go ahead and put my primer on. Today I'm just gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Let me close this so I can zoom in for y'all. I'm gonna use that. So we are going, like I said, with the pink look. So I think I'm gonna go in first with the shade Love Letter, I think. I'm gonna do that one first. From the Modern Renaissance palette. So, that one. Masquerade by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna use, I can open it, I'm gonna use this color Bori out of it, the only pink in here, and we're still gonna go in that crease. Yeah, she's pink. We're gonna still go in that crease, but not like the top of the crease. As you can see, I blended it up. I'm gonna blend this down. I'm gonna go back in with the other brush that I used for the darker shade, the purplish shade, and I'm gonna just try to blend. Okay, and then we're going to do like a half cut crease. Go in, and I'm just gonna use the Naked Skin Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in shade Medium Dark Warm. This Loose Pigment from MAC, and it is called Rose. It's a little baby one. It's like the ones I think they be like $5 or something like that. I don't know. I'm just gonna pour some literally on the, ooh, that's a lot. I don't need all that. To blend out the ends. I'm gonna go put eyeliner on and then I'll be back. Alright, so put my liner on. Not really liking my wings, but we just gonna go, okay? So now that I am done with the eyes for right now, we are going to start with the foundation. So clearly I already primed my face, so I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundations, and I use butter pecan and chai. Go in with that Naked Skin by Urban Decay, the concealer, the Weightless. It says complete coverage. Y'all see my friend? Cover up my freckles. So I'm just going to use my poof and the other Mercier translucent powder. That somewhat bake, I'm gonna go in with my Guerlain terracotta bronzer in shade 9 Intense, and I'm going to bronze my beautiful face. Now I'm just going to dust away all the excess powder. Okay. spray her face with some Fix Plus. Put some blush on. I'm gonna try Sola. Let's try Sola. It got shimmer in it though, so it's gonna probably be like a highlight. But let's just see. We are going to put our lashes on. I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I put on my lashes. We are about to, I just want to kind of go over my eyebrows just a smidge. I'm gonna set them with the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. It's clear. Mamacita from ColourPop, and I'm not gonna wipe this off. I'm gonna use that MAC, the color I did put on was MAC Cream Sheen Hot Gossip. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. Okay, so the lashes I put on were by Allure, the Luxe Silk Marquise Silk Effect. M-A-R-Q-U-I-S-E. That's the lashes I have on. Alright, bye guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And you can leave any comments to me down below. I always make sure I check the comments and comment back. And hope you have a great day. Bye guys.